welcome to my channel, and today we are here in a beautiful community known as Santa Rita Ranch right here in Liberty, Texas. We're going to be touring this home called the Rowan floor plan that is built by Westin Homes. This one is 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 2-story, about 37 and 57 square footage. Okay, hope you guys enjoy the tour. It is a lovely day here in Austin, Texas. Nice and sunny. If you're wanting to move to Austin, you'll get a lot of sun down here. The first bedroom downstairs has a guest room. I love the wall decoration and the wood window blinds. You've got the closet right here. So very open floor plan. The spiral staircases going up. The great sliding doors that makes it look very open, natural sunlight coming in. here we enter the master bedroom. I love these lights in here. These are so unique. If somebody's watching this video for just getting ideas on home decorations, watching these wonderful model home tours will give you those ideas and inspiration on how to design your home. Or even upgrades. In this community, there is a brand new school, elementary school that they have up here. And love this walk-in closet. And right when you enter into the laundry room. They've got 4 different amenities here, guys, so you can use all 4 of them. They're still building. They've got great hike and bike trails, lots of activities for the little ones. They have a community agent that plans all the community events for the neighbors. Spacious pantry. And then what I love is about the farm sink that they have up there.
One that's ready. Now it's ones that are on the south side that we have left. These are under construction and these are ready. And other than this one on top, the rest are on the stack.
Okay. Very good. That's really cool. Your name was?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, nice to meet you.
Oh, I like this hidden office upstairs. Very nice. And that, guys, it's probably going to be the attic. You can use it for storage if you want. And upstairs, they've got 2 bedrooms. Another closet. There is a door entrance from the front and also from the bedroom. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom, meaning 2 bedrooms will be connected to get into this bathroom. And here we come into the 2nd bedroom upstairs. Now this bedroom has a walk-in closet. So out of the 4 bedrooms, I noticed this one is the only one that has the walk-in closet. Here's an extra space. It's like an outhouse that they have offered to build if you guys are interested in this. It's a nice little area, extra space that you can use for anything. Office, game room, storage, whatever you guys need. So this is a nice extra feature that this builder is offering. I know they're doing inventory homes right now, meaning that you're not building up from ground up at this moment, but they do have one home that is being built with this extra outdoor space that you guys can purchase. So if you're interested in that and need additional information, guys, just reach out to me, let me know. I can help you get started on your home buying journey, and then comment below if you want to see any other homes that may be an interest to you guys or any other communities.